Hey guys, and welcome back to Snap Circuits Workshop 2. So today in Electro-Gadget 200, we're going to do Project 141, Lasting Doorbell. Okay, let's get into the project. So, let's place a V3 battery holder. We're going to place it way up here. You need the whole base grid for this, pretty much. Except for, row G. Pretty much need the whole base grid for this. But anyways, let's get a 6-snap wire. We're going to place that right here. Okay. Next we need a 2-snap wire. I'm going to use a rare variant again. We'll place that right here. Okay. Next we need the Q2 NPN transistor and Q1 PNP transistor. I'm going to place Q1 right here and Q2 right here. Okay, that's not it. We need a 5-snap wire. We're going to place that up here. Okay. Next, we need a WC whistle chip. WC whistle chip. Aha, found it. I'm going to place it right here. Okay, next we need a, wait, hold on, no, we need a 1-snap wire. So is that it for layer 1 yet? I don't think so. We need an SP speaker. Right here. Okay, next, we need is that it for layer 1? I think it might be. Oh, no. Actually, no, not yet. We need a 4-snap wire right here. Alright. Where could that be it for layer 1? It does, looks like it might be. I guess that's it for layer 1. Okay, so let's move on to layer 2. We need a 1-snap wire, and where will that be? Hang on. Found it. We're gonna place that right here. Now I hear that the Electro-Gadget 200 has 7 2-snap wires. But anyways, because this is highly suspicious, because we're gonna place a 3-snap wire above here, and I'm not sure if we actually used 7 2-snap wires already. So that's 1. It says in the project that we're gonna be placing the 3-snap wire up here, but no. Okay, next we need a 2-snap wire. Let's just keep going on. We're gonna place it right here. We need another 2-snap wire right here. We need the C4 capacitor now. And the S2 press switch. Got both of them. Okay, we're going to place a C4 capacitor right here. And then we're going to place the S2 press switch right here. We need the R2 resistor now. R2 1000 OHM. Okay, let's place the R2 resistor right here. Okay, we're gonna get a 2-snap wire right here. Right here. Let's get another one. We're gonna place it right here. We need another 1 snap wire. Oh shit! I have a rare variant of the one snap wire. See, the one, it says one, it's all marked in green. Like the two snap wire right here. But anyways, we're gonna place this rare one snap wire right here. Like that. Okay. Is that it for layer 2? No, it isn't. We're gonna place a two snap wire right here. Okay, next, we need another one snap wire. Right here. Okay. Is that it for layer 2 now? I think that's it. Oh, yep, I think that's it for layer 2. Let's move on to layer 3. Let's place a 3 snap wire right here. Let's place another 3 snap wire right here. And then another 3 snap wire. We're going to place that up here. Now I'm just going to double check to see if we use 17 snap wires in this project. Oh, no, not just yet. We need a 2 snap wire right there. Shit! Oh, shoot. Oh, ouch. The B1 battery holder, like the sharp side touched, like, ouch, it poked me. We're going to place that 2 snap wire right there. And then, finally, the R5 resistor. Finally, I'm not sure about that, though. R5. Where the heck are you? Okay. Is that it? No. R5, there we go. There. I'm just going to double check if we use 7 2 snap wires in this project. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a second. This is highly suspicious. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. Did I just count the same thing? Let me just, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why would they do that? I heard that they have 7 2 snap wires in this. Why would they do that? Why would they do that? Why would EduScience do such a thing like that? But anyways, let's get into the testing. So, lasting doorbell, let's turn it on. What the heck was that? When I like pound on the floor, it makes sound. And you know what that means? It's quite similar to the S4 vibration switch. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, it says, note that there is a 4 snap wire on layer 1 that is not connected to a 3 snap wire that runs over it on layer 3. I got it. A doorbell sound that slowly fades away. Let me try this again. Oh, no, it's already faded away, so that must be it. It's kind of like the S4 vibration switch. But anyways, that's it for this project. I will see you next time for another video. Goodbye.